Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to copy note links in Evernote. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open the Evernote app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in and on your main dashboard, direct your attention to the left sidebar of your screen. You'll see several navigation options here that help you organize and access your content. Look for and click on Notes. This will display all of your stored notes in the left panel, making it easy to browse through your collection and find exactly what you're looking for. Now, from the left panel where all your notes are displayed, locate and click on the specific note you want to copy the link for. This could be any note containing important information, research, meeting minutes, or any content you need to reference or share. Clicking on the note will open it in the main viewing area, allowing you to see its full content and access additional options. With your note now open, look at the upper right corner of the screen. You'll notice several action buttons there, and one of them is specifically designed for sharing and linking. Click on the Copy Link button, which you'll find positioned right beside the Share option. This button is crucial because it generates a unique URL for your specific note that can be used to access it directly, bypassing the need to search through your entire notebook collection. And that's it. The note link is now copied to your clipboard and ready to use. You can paste it into another Evernote note, a document, an email, a chat message, or any other app where you need to reference this specific note. This feature is incredibly useful for collaboration, creating cross-references between notes, or sharing specific information with colleagues without giving them access to your entire Evernote account. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.